This is the letter S. This is how you write the letter S. The sound of letter S is S.
Sarah likes to sing. She sings about the sun shining in the sky. The spider spins a web in the tree, while a snake coils on a branch.
Subbu uses soap to wash his clothes. His pet squirrel is eating a nut. The words sing, spider, snake, soap all begin with the letter S. The sound of letter S is S.